Boys and girls, in this video we are going to look at how to compare fractions. Now I've already kind of started doing this a little bit, looking at equivalent fractions and that sort of thing. But this week we're going to look at some of our different fractions and trying to decide which one is worth more or which one is less. So a great way we're going to do this is by using the greater than and less than symbol. Now if you notice on my symbol, I have drawn, it's supposed to be a crocodile. And so a great way that I like to think about the greater than and less than sign and when to use them is if it's greater, the crocodile wants to eat it. And so it's always going to have its mouth open to the greater amount or the bigger amount because it wants to eat more. Okay, so let's take a look. I've got some different fractions up here and let's compare them together. All right. So my first set of fractions are 2 pancakes. All right, and we need to split these pancakes, or I already did. I split them into 4 equal groups. Remember, we're looking at our denominator to see how much our whole is split into. So 1 whole pancake is split into 4 equal pieces. Now this is one type of fraction that you will be learning how to compare. Our fractions with the same denominator, where the whole is split into the same amount of pieces. When that's the case, you want to look at the numerator to see how many pieces you would get, and that will tell you which one is worth more. So in this example, I have 2/4. That means I would get 2 of my 4 pieces, and in this one I would get 1 of my 4 pieces. So which pancake would I get more of? That's right, I would get more of this one because I would get 2 pieces, whereas in this one I'd only get 1, right? So what I would do is with my nifty crocodile, I would point his mouth towards the one that has more. And this would read 2/4 is greater than 1/4. And that is because I'd be getting 2 pieces here and only 1 piece here. Let's try another one, okay? Now down here I have 2 cupcakes with sprinkles because I love cupcakes with sprinkles, okay? Now this one I have 2 of 4 pieces. So my whole is split into 4 pieces and I would get 2 of them. This one, my whole is split into 6 pieces and I would get 5 of them. Well, which one would be more? This one's a tricky one. You can't just look at the numerator. If you just looked at the numerator, it would say, yeah, I'd only get 2 here, but I'd get 5 here. But look, these are bigger pieces than these, because this whole is split into only 4 pieces, and this one's split into 6. So these pieces are smaller, so which one is more? In these types of instances, what I like to do is I like to draw this out, and then what I can do is say, okay, I wouldn't get this piece. So here are the 5 pieces I would get here. Here are the 2 pieces. Let's line them up and see which one I would get more of. Which one would I get more of? That's right, I'd get more with the 5 pieces because even though they're smaller, there's more than this one. So what that means is, boys and girls, is that 5/6 is greater than 2/4. Okay, now if you notice, the alligator's mouth is open towards what's bigger, so 5/6 is greater than 2/4. Another way that we can look at this, 2/4 is less than 5/6, or 2/4 is smaller than 5/6. So this week, have fun and good luck comparing fractions.